today, all I'm doing is seasoning the top on this 22-inch Blackstone griddler I just got. I did an unboxing video, so go ahead and check that out. I'll put a link in the description. Go ahead and season this with some vegetable oil. You can use canola oil, you can use flaxseed oil. Just something that has a high heat. But first step in doing a seasoning is you want to burn off any of the residue or oil that came from the factory. So I'm going to turn this on, and I'm also going to test on how quickly and how hot this top gets. So have my 1 pound propane tank on there. All right, let's get this started. There you go. So start in the first click here, at least not for me, but you can definitely feel a lot of heat coming off of this. It says it's 24,000 BTUs. So we'll go ahead and put the top on it, restart it, and see how quickly it comes up to temp, and let it burn off for about 30 minutes. So let's get to that. All right, it's been about 2.5 minutes. You can see that the grill's starting to get brown, starting to burn off all that factory oil. So let's check the temperature. 2.5 minutes, it's already at 350 climbing. All right, so we've been going for about 9 minutes, almost 10 minutes here. You can see how the grill is starting to darken up. So don't be scared, that's what it's supposed to do. So let's check what the temperature is reading right now. Whoa, look at that. So we're up at 550 degrees. Let's see what the corners look like. So 400 degrees in the corner. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes. We've burned off all the oils that they've put on this grill to protect it. So we're gonna go ahead and start the seasoning process now. So really all you really need is some tongs or heat-resistant gloves, some paper towels, and then some cooking oil. Like I said, any kind of cooking oil works fine. And we'll go ahead and start applying the oil on here. Now it's nice and hot. We're gonna go ahead and put oil all along this. Put a little bit on there. See it start smoking up. Then we'll use this paper towel. Try to spread that everywhere. Right now, all the oil is coming to the front. That's kind of what I wanted. That way, I can use it to spread it along the whole surface here. You can see here. So it's gonna smoke up like this, and you want it to apply more once. You also want to get all the sides. We'll go ahead and let that all burn off until you stop seeing the smoke, and then we'll repeat that process three more times. Took about 3 minutes for the first application to burn off. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some more to here. One thing I wanted to check is to how hot the bottom of this grill is getting. So I went and put the meter on there, and it was at the highest point was about 100 degrees. So I think this would be safe to put on like a plastic table or any type of table without it damaging that table. So okay, let's get the second layer on here going. All right, so got 4 coats, greased it up, starting to have a nice sheen to it. So it's gonna be like a non-stick surface, kind of like cast iron. The final one is I have some bacon grease here. So we're gonna apply that. And normally you could just throw a couple pieces of bacon on there and do the same thing, but I happen to make bacon this morning, and so I'm gonna use that. So just put that. That'll be my last coat. This thing should be all seasoned up, and as you use it, it'll darken up even more. And the more and more you use this thing, it's gonna make a really nice non-stick surface. So. All right, everyone, so I hope you liked that video. If you did, please give me a like. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be doing some more cooks on this, or starting some cooks on here. And thanks again. Take care.
All right, I got it all seasoned up last night, so I'm going throw some bacon on there and do some breakfast, break this thing in. So a couple observations in the burn-in, which took about an hour and a half. It went through quite a bit of this propane tank, so it definitely uses a lot of propane. So you may want to hook it up to a bigger tank or just have extra tanks available. So other than that, we'll see how this thing cooks. I'll give you an update. All right, just the griddler is making quick work of the bacon. You can see there, and definitely making my my garage smell nice. So obviously don't recommend cooking in the garage. Mostly definitely have the door open. So anyway, all right, just did some scrambled eggs and super quick, real easy. Nothing really stuck to the surface. Perfect. Now doing some eggs over medium here, and we'll be done with breakfast. So next time I'll try some pancakes. All right, breaking this in with some burgers. So get a nice crust on them. So can't beat the view.